Hey YouTube, so today in this video, this is going to be a huge fabric haul. I have a lot of fabric here. I have some restocks and I have some cool new styles that I cannot wait to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and show them to you one by one. And I'm going to also show you something really cute and cool that I just learned how to make, and I'm so excited to make more. Okay, so I have this LV fabric. This is a restock. This is one that is very popular. This is a faux leather. And as you can see, it does have the checkers on here. This is a 9 by 12 inch fabric sheet. So I sell them in 9 by 12 inches. I also sell half sheets. Okay, so I have the half of sheets, which is this size. Let me zoom out a little bit. So if you're doing, let's say for example, if you're doing Crocs and you were to cut a half a sheet in half, you would have plenty to put one half of it on the Crocs. Or if you want to stretch it and maybe do a couple pair of Crocs or something else like that, you would go for a half sheet size. So this is the checkered rainbow colored LV fabric. Okay, so this is another restock. This is the original tan and brown LV logo fabric. So this one is a very popular one. I sell out of this one really quickly. So I have to make sure I keep this one in stock because this one is like a #1 favorite, I guess, because of the original design of it. And this is faux leather. It's available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. So this is another restock. Have the black and the brown Fendi inspired leather fabric. This is another restock. This is a very popular one as well. So I always have to get just a little bit more of this one because it sells out really quickly, just like the tan LV fabric. Okay, and we have the floral Gucci print. This is so pretty. It's just so dainty. This is another restock. This one had got really low. So I restocked on this one. So this one is now available. I'm still updating my website, making a lot of different changes. And also I want to say that I do have the website currently on sale. There will be sales all month long because November 2025 does mark 5 years since I've had my website. So I'm very excited about that. So I will be running sales all month long. Okay, so this rainbow LV fabric is another one that literally sells out so fast. And when I try to stock up with it with my vendor, it's sold out from them. So sometimes I go a little while without having this. So this is another one that is just been restocked. It's on my website, myroyalradiance.com. So this is one that was also very popular, but they hadn't had it in stock. So they hadn't had it in stock. It's very soft, and this one is like an embossed Gucci fabric. It's much softer than the other ones, but it has a very nice feel to it. So I now have these available. myroyalradiance.com. We are going to get into some new fabrics that I have, some new designs here. I'm so excited about these. Now this is a Chanel pattern. But it has a little design to where it seems it's a little distressed, and the Chanel is a little distressed on there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a cute little distressed Chanel look. So this is one of my newer fabrics that I now have available on the website, and I'm still doing some updates. I'll have everything fully updated by the end of this week. I'm having everything updated by Friday at least. So the black and white Chanel is super classic. It's really cute. So a new fabric that I'm launching on my website. This color is so pretty. So this is Tiffany & Co. inspired fabric, and it's really pretty. It's so dainty. It has the bows. And if you've noticed, bows are really trending lately. I've been seeing bows on cute little girls' outfits. I've been seeing them on purses, on the back of boots. They're just everywhere. So I thought this would be really cute fabric to add to my website. So we have the Tiffany & Co. Super cute. myroyalradiance.com. New new one that I decided to add to my website. This is the Dior. I've had Dior in the past, but I had like the blue, I think it's like the classic blue and white, but I have this light pretty pink, like a pastel pink and white fabric, and this is like really, really pretty. It's so girly. So I have this available now. This is the Dior inspired fabric. Okay, so another new one that I now have available is this really pretty bubblegum pink and like cream color LV logo fabric. This is very girly. This pink is so pretty, but it's almost like the color of the letters are like almost like a yellow or like an ivory off-white type of color. This is really different. It's super cute. A lot of people really like the LV print. So that's why I do have more of the LV, more of the Gucci. So that's why I have those. Fabric I have, this is also new to the website. This is a black and white Gucci print, faux leather inspired fabric. So it has all the G's on there, and it's all black, but then you can see that the print is white. So this is a new addition to the website as well. Getting so many requests for patent leather fabric. I hadn't had any patent leather fabric in a while, so I have some patent leathers, and this one is an embossed foil fabric, and it's patent leather. As you can see, it has the rainbow, the foil LVs on here. So I do finally have patent leather back in stock, and it has a very nice soft feel to it. So this is like super cute. It's pink, and then you can see the rainbow colors on here. See how it has that really nice reflection to it. Very cute, very girly. We have more patent leather, but this is like a chrome mirrored color patent leather fabric. I absolutely adore this fabric. It is so pretty. It's so soft. It's embossed, so that means that the actual print is like engraved in here, and you can kind of like feel it. It feels very soft, very nice, and it's gold. It's like really, really gold. And this is like so pretty. You can do so much with this. I was also thinking, like, if you wanted to create some type of cute decor and cut it to fit inside of a picture frame, put a cute message on it with some signed vinyl. There's like a lot that you can do with this. So this is the gold patent leather mirrored LV fabric. MyRoyalRadiance.com. This will be available. I'll be adding this to the website as well. And again, the entire website right now currently is 15% off. We have more patent leather. Of course, I had to get it in silver as well. I love this silver just as much as the gold. This is so pretty. Again, it's very soft. You can kind of see your reflection in it, and I think this is just so adorable. This will also be available, MyRoyalRadiance.com. If you want to jazz up some Crocs, if you want to use this in a picture frame as a background, make your own DIY like little bow. Let me tell you about that. I just recently got into wanting to make like cute little bows to like decorate things with, or you can also make them to be like to decorate things with, or a hair bow and add some clamps to the back. So my daughter made this yesterday. So we have like some glitter fabric that we got online, but then as you can see, this is a layered bow. We took 3 different fabrics and layered them, and as you can see, we used the LV inspired fabric on the top part, just so you can see how well it folds, how pretty it is, how shiny it is. It has a nice little thickness to it, and this is the fabric that we used. So I will be making videos showing how we made these little bows. And this is just a nice little beginner, but for this to be her first time, this turned out like really cute. So this is something that you can do with this fabric as well if you're into making bows. And definitely not least, we have some Hello Kitty fabric. This fabric is so cute, so dainty, so girly. I absolutely love this fabric. My daughters love Hello Kitty, so there's a lot of Hello Kitty floating around here. It's really like extra trending lately. I see a lot of crafts where people are doing Hello Kitty. I used some of this fabric to create the most cutest little layered bow. Let's see if this focuses. Come on now. Okay, so this is the bow that I made. And I used some fabric that I got on Amazon, like some little glittery fabric to like layer it with. But as you can see, I used the Hello Kitty fabric to make this cute Hello Kitty bow. So I thought that that was just so cute, so adorable. I'll definitely be doing more videos making bows because I just learned it and I love it. So cute and it's so fun. So that does conclude this video. Again, you can purchase the fabric myroyalradiance.com. I have over 15 different styles, new styles, and restocks. This does not include the fabric that I already currently have on my website. So there's probably over 25 to 30 different styles that you can choose from. Also remember that I do have, if you purchase 3 sheets of fabric, you do get a 4th random sheet of fabric free of charge. Yes, I still have that going on. You'll always have an extra. If you buy 3, there's no code needed for that. I automatically include a 4th sheet of fabric to your order. Okay, so again, my website is myroyalradiance.com. Okay guys, that does conclude this video. Thanks for watching. Head on over to my website, myroyalradiance.com. I also have patches, charms, croc charms, brooches, in addition to selling fabric and plenty more as well. I always have sales. I currently have a 15% off sale. This month, November 2025, does mark 5 years, and I'll be having even more sales to celebrate 5 years in business. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.